So this is a close-up of my Georgia red clay. We bought this new construction property about 4 years ago, and the soil does vary a bit across the property, but this is what I'm working with for this January planting. So Coreopsis really likes good drainage. I've finally figured this out after planting this over and over again. This is one of those perennials that just does not want wet feet. I've had the best success with Coreopsis planting on a sunny slope. Here in the southeast, we get a lot of heavy rains and thunderstorms during the summertime, and clay holds a lot of water. So one advantage of planting on a slope is that water just doesn't sit here. It drains a lot better than those flat parts of my yard.
These plants have strong root systems and are a little root bound from leftover summer stock, which is totally fine. I'm planting them slightly tilted with the slope and just above the soil grade to help with drainage during heavy rains. I'm adding a little biotone starter fertilizer, then mixing garden soil 50-50 with the native clay. I loosen the roots, break up the pancake at the bottom, and place them in the hole.